interested in Shark Tank's products, so check out on Zepto, right? Hey guys, are you interested in gifts? As you see in the picture, a gift is awaiting for you while your order is on the way. So let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? As you see in the picture, these are some of the items we have ordered on Zepto, and you see here, scan if you want to play on Gems pack. So if you don't know how to scan and play, you can check out my video in the I button and screen and description box. As you see in the picture, there's a clearance sale going on right now, and you can go to Zepto Saver to avail more discount or save money. You have minimum 50% off, and on fashion products you have 80% off. As you see in the picture, these cooking oils we have got just for 80 rupees with 60% off on the pack. You can check out free delivery coupon also, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. Now it's time, we'll see what's the gift. As you see in the picture, this is a gift from Baker Dozen. I've got it for just 6 rupees. These are assorted cookies. You have different flavors. As you see in the picture, you have tutti frutti, vanilla, cinnamon, cranberry, red velvet and salted butter cookies. And you have many other offers also at 50% off. As I said earlier, you can taste different flavors in the pack and they are tasty. You can binge on. Go for this if you want. And you can check out more gifts on Zepto. Now we'll see how to place order and claim free gift. As you see in the picture, you can go to Zepto or Super Saver. I'm going to Zepto. Once you go to Zepto, as you see in the picture, you can switch to Super Saver option, but the minimum order value differs. But you have lots of benefits as shown on the screen with big discounts, and you have different categories here. You can check out. On fashion, you have got 80% off, and the clearance sale is available on grocery as well. You can check out. You can click on deals and check out please. After adding all the products to the cart, you can go to view cart as shown in the picture. Once you go to cart, you can scroll down and apply free delivery coupon. Click on apply as shown in the picture to enjoy free delivery. Otherwise, you can go to Super Saver and avail the coupons over there. Here I've got a coupon. As you see in the picture, you can apply this IDFC coupon to enjoy savings or discount on your order. After you place the order, please wait. Do stay on the app as shown in the picture. While your order is yet to be delivered, it shows 2 minutes for your order to be delivered. Now, here you see a gift box. As you see in the picture, you can see here a gift icon. You can click on gift icon. Once you click, this kind of screen appears before you. You can scratch and see what's the gift. Here I've got coupon on Airtel, free delivery SIM. You can copy the code as shown in the picture and you can click on claim now. Once you click, this kind of screen appears before you and you will be navigated to Airtel website, and you have here some fields which you got to fill. If you want free delivery of SIM at your doorsteps, and you have lots of benefits which you can check out like 5G data. Now you get back and you have here one more gift. You can click on that and avail this gift also. You can scratch here as shown in the picture and copy the code. Click on claim now. As I said earlier, you can navigate to that website when you click on claim now. So I have got here 2 gifts which I have showed you while my order is on the way, and you can also try out, and you can check out rewards afterwards if you want. You can go to Zepto Click on profile icon as shown in the picture. You can scroll down and click on rewards. Once you click on rewards, this kind of gifts or rewards that appears before you, and you can click on any of those. I'm showing here perfumes, and you can see here you can copy the code and you can click on claim now. Once you click on that, you will be navigated to that site, and you can add to the cart the products you want and apply the coupon as shown in the picture. You can go to cart. Now click on proceed to checkout. Here you have to paste the coupon that has been previously copied from Zepto as shown in the picture. Click on apply. Click on continue to place your order. That's it, done. This is all you got to do to claim your rewards. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.